Get more out of your Google Ads campaign with the Broad Match Keywords recommendation. If you're seeing this recommendation, our simulations predict that by expanding your match type, you could earn more conversions at a similar or better return on investment. This means you can increase your reach by showing up when people search for keywords that are similar to the ones you've already selected. And, of course, you'll still show up for your originally selected keywords. On your recommendations page, you'll see the potential increase in conversions, conversion value, and how much it'll cost. Select Apply All to begin using Broad Match for each eligible keyword, or select View Recommendations to see a list of all campaigns and keywords that can be changed to Broad Match. Review the weekly estimates for conversions and cost, and see how Broad Match keywords will affect your total cost. You can also dismiss individual recommendations, or select Dismiss All if they don't work for your goals. The Broad Match keyword recommendations make it easy to reach more customers and grow your business with Google Ads. See this recommendation and others on your Google Ads recommendations page. Here's a pro tip. Set your recommendations to be automatically applied, so your campaigns stay up to date with the latest performance recommendations and best practices. Simply select the recommendations that are right for you and get more time back to focus on running your business. You can turn this feature on or off whenever you'd like on your recommendations page.